Hey Fit Fam, welcome back to Form Forum. Today we're going to kick off the kicking series with the front kicks. Say that 3 times fast. Here's what it looks like. Alright guys, so we're going to break that front kick down into 2 steps. The main steps here are you're drawing that knee up, using your abs here, and then you're going to stab the bag. You want to make sure that you're stabbing the bag with the ball of your foot, alright? So if you notice, when my foot connects with that bag, my heel is not touching whatsoever, just the ball of the foot. The next thing you want to think about is you want to lengthen your body out. So if you look closely here, I'm pushing my hips forward, my chest is leaning slightly back to balance that out. You're going to get a really great workout in your abs here since we are doing this for fitness. A few kicks ago, you may have noticed I was chopping that right arm with that right front kick, right? So in order to get there, you need to slide this left foot back to meet that right foot. Then you're going to pop that knee and push your hips forward, getting back into fight stance after with that left foot in front again. Alright Fit Fam, that's the end of front kicks here. Thank you for watching Form Forum, and we'll see you in class. We're going to kick off the kicking series with a front kick. Say that 3 times fast. Here's what it looks like.